was unselfish and sacrificed everything you risked to change life. Even when there was darkness, you broke the shackles and brought light. You called everyone to believe in Allah. Oh Muhammad, you are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. It's the way that you smiled with serenity, and how you forgave all your enemies. I will always hold your love and all your teachings in my heart. You called everyone to believe in Allah. Oh Muhammad, you are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. You are my hero and I'll keep you safe in my heart. You are my hero till the end and from the very start. You are my hero and you'll always be the best part of every single day. I will follow you. You are my hero and I'll keep you safe in my heart. You are my hero till the end and from the very start. You are my hero and you'll always be the best part of every single day. I will follow you. It's way too late, but I'm still wide awake, 'cause I can't sleep yet, I can't sleep yet. Got 1,000 words that won't stop running circles round in my head, round in my head. Sometimes I feel just like these days and nights will never end, but will I ever get this chance again? So I pray, yes I pray, 'cause I know I should relax my mind and take it easy, take it easy. If I find my way through every single page, then I'm a winner, I'm not a quitter, no. Sometimes I feel just like these days and nights will never end, but will I ever get this chance again? So I pray, yes I pray, 'cause I know that life it's hard, I keep working, I'll never give this up, because 'cause I can't sleep yet. I can't sleep yet.
My father said to me, but one seed you can grow a tree. That tree will grow when you feel the dreams. If you just believe, then one day you'll see, yeah. When I'm on the case, I know it's worth it. I'm on the path now, I'm running like a circuit. Got my dreams in sight and I'm ready for the fight. Now it's time to put all out the work in, yeah. One chance, one shot. No, I won't give up. All my faith in God, that'll keep me strong. As I'm sitting here thinking about this world that we're living in, so I'm wasting all the time where others aim for the sky. Sacrifice some time for my success, I know it's worth it in the end.
Because I